What's up, Goon Squad? Got this Jeep pulled out. It's looking great, just sparkling right there in the sunlight, getting warmed up. Got the mods going on this Jeep. We're gonna go pick up some stuff right now. Let's go see what it is. Let's go. It's shiny. It is a street lock.
Nice.
By Krager, right?
Yep, by Krager.
Damn, it's gonna look good. Do you know the specs on it?
15 by 8.
I had 15 by 10s.
Yep.
They were a little bit wide, a little bit rough on the road. Yes, sir. Dude, it's gonna look so good. Wait till you guys see the tires that we get. Alright, so we gave the Rubicon a quick wash. Got that bacon in the sun. That just chilling. So what color are we gonna paint it? Black?
Yeah, black, match the fenders and everything else and the winch plate.
Good, good. Let's get to it. So we just sprayed the bumper down with some self-etching primer. Next we got some ready to spray lacquer. Got one coat of paint on this bumper here.
Yeah, it's ready for another one.
So the bumper's all painted. So the next task of the day would be to put these door panels together, the inside, and also the new handles that we got, and all the trim that goes around this window here. All right, so I got this new handle in. It's looking great. A little tricky, popping these little pins in. You gotta use some needle nose pliers, but we got the job done. Now I gotta do the rest of the trim. But up front here, he's got the new windshield. He got it cleaned up. This edge here, gotta clean it up real nice. And do you have some windshield glue?
Yes, I do.
So what's the next part of this process?
Take these stickers off, put the rubber seal on this windshield, and then throw a bead of window weld 3M around there, a really nice and thick bead, and press the windshield to it.
We got most of that panel in for now. Now we're gonna move on to the windshield. What are you using there?
Just 3M window weld, super fast urethane.
Man, this sure is a tough job here. I wish we had an electric one, but we're about halfway. Are you guys ready? We are ready. This windshield goop is no joke. It'll stick all over you. We got a lot of pieces of tape on it because we want that seal to be in there real nice. What do we have here?
A dry bumper, looks good.
Did it get slicked in?
Slicked in.
Man, it's pretty smooth. I like that. Lift it up a little higher. There you go. Slips on so nice.
Dang.
That looks good, dude.
Matches the frame color.
Yep. I know a lot of you guys are saying to color match it, but I think that was the best choice for us. Just the black to match the frame.
The frame, the fenders, the winch plate.
It's gonna look perfect.
The frame's a little bit dirty right now, but it cleans up real nice.
Yeah,
we still haven't washed it in forever. All right, so we're gonna mount this bumper and the winch plate also because it's gonna mount simultaneously with the same bolts up at the top, so let's do that.
Is it heavy?
Oh, it's a winch weight.
Pretty heavy, huh? You need instructions for this?
Not really, but super simple. I just better be safe than sorry.
How's that windshield looking?
It's looking great.
Everything go good? Gotta clean it up a little bit. It'll be all right.
Pretty successful for a first windshield ever install. Oh, I can't wait for Friday.
Wow, this Friday.
Hopefully the tires are in.
I already said in the last video we're getting tires, but I didn't mention what type of tires or the aggressiveness of the tires. They're gonna be a lot more aggressive than that. I'll tell you that much.
They're gonna be a lot nicer.
Yeah, higher quality. They're gonna be stronger.
I'll give y'all a little
than that. Don't give them no more hints.
No more hints? I was just gonna tell them a hint what they're made out of, but
No.
whatever.
If you tell them what they're made out of, they're gonna know. Which they should know because not all tires are made out of this material. What kind of tires we getting, buddy?
We are getting 35s.
Oh, you a good boy. You a good boy. Oh, careful there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is it gonna stop? Yep. Yeah, them street locks look pretty good. I mean, I wish we can get I wish we can get real bead locks, but
out of our price range.
yeah, definitely out of our price range for right now. For now.
At the moment.
But if you haven't copped you one of these stickers, cop you one because they are gonna sell out quick.
Hey, should we use the OG hooks on the front?
What? I don't know, honestly.
I just want to know if I have long enough bolts.
Right. One of your halos ain't working. Why not?
Because I just shoved them into the wires. Remember we just shoved them in?
Yeah.
I just threw it all in there.
What do you guys think of these little LED strips? I mean, they're pretty bright. We can still work in here. We can work a lot later than we usually do.
Jeep's a little dirty right now. Excuse the mess.
Right.
Pollen and whatnot has been going on right now.
The bees are pollinating everything. Those suckers. But it's all good. The lights are nice and bright. So we're probably gonna install the winch right quick. It's gonna take us some time, but we're gonna go ahead and start installing it. I just want to place it right there. I want to see what it looks like.
Have time to place it right here and tighten it down and whatnot.
Yeah, let's go grab it. What do you say? Is it heavy?
It got a few pounds on it.
Now this here is a Smitty built. Matter of fact, let's just show you guys. 9,500 pounds. That's plenty. How much does a Jeep weigh? I don't know. You know? This winch was actually supposed to go on the white Rubicon, but we changed the plans on it because I don't think that Rubicon deserves it. Do you?
No, this Rubicon.
This is the Rubicon.
This is the one that's gonna be
out there.
Probably using it.
Dang, it's a strong bag right there.
It's a strong bag.
Wiring attention.
I never did a synthetic winch. I never knew you had to do your own wiring, so
It's gonna be a first.
yeah, it's gonna be a first, but ain't nothing that we can't do. Right here's your synthetic rope.
Oh yeah. Perfect. That's sick, dude.
It's gonna match the headlight bezels. Look at that.
Perfect, yeah. A little bit of chrome.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of chrome, but a little bit of chrome.
But that does look good.
Yeah, I like
I'm
that.
not gonna lie.
I'm actually glad we didn't paint the bezels black.
Yeah, it match. It's gonna match. It's gonna give it a little oomph. So it looks like these two boxes are just together. Cause look at that. Here's your remote.
Dang, that looks awesome, dude.
In, out. That's the box that sits on top of the
It's heavy.
winch. Just gonna cut it.
You just break your knife. Guys, now we're actually going to give this knife away. Now that it broke, it's opened so many packages that it finally broke. I think we need a box. This is going to be put in a frame or...
Go purchase one of our stickers and you'll be entered in the giveaway starting now.
You guys up for a switchy?
But that is a dangerous. You got to be 18 or older.
Let me say that again. It may be bruised, but it's not broken. It's coming together, boys.
Figure the best way to route it. And the grill and this plastic piece and go straight towards the battery.
So we got it all wired up. And now we're going to try to spool this synthetic rope. Spool wire rope onto drum in this direction. So, that direction. So I guess spinning like that.
Oh, shit. It's going to take all day.
Let's get this thing wound up. I love a synthetic winch, dude. I've always wanted to have a synthetic winch, and here it is.
Finally.
On a Rubicon. The Rubicon of his dreams.
Both of our dreams.
Right? Yeah, it's the Rubicon of our dreams, and we're building it together, so that's what makes it come to fruition. So, that's what's awesome about this build, and just the experience we're having here. So it's freaking awesome, man.
It's fun.
It's fun. It's been a fun journey up to here. So it only gets better from here. So make sure you like and subscribe as usual, man. Please do it so you don't miss out, guys. I'm telling you.
You don't want to miss out.
No, no. So smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
Punch it in the face.
Punch it in the face. Smack it around. I can't wait till tomorrow. It's going to be another good day. What is that? What is that little piece there?
Smitty built Tagaroo. We're ready to go inside and call it a day, so let's get this cleaned up.
You just got it cleaned up. So guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram to get the inside scoop of something before YouTube. Also, check out goonzquad.com. We got the decals up there. They're going quick. They're almost sold out. Man, it's like a tornado.
Be sure to check out the rest of our stuff on our catalog and copy you a shirt or a hat.
If you guys love what we do on this channel and you want to support us, become a Patreon or visit our GoFundMe. Everything's appreciated and you guys make these videos possible. The links are going to be down below.
Stay tuned, like,
and subscribe,
and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace!
Woo!